So the biggest news is that Microsoft is acquiring GitHub. You know, the GitHub, the giant repository website where you put all your code, is now in the hand of Microsoft. And you know what? Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, has given this post that GitHub is now part of Microsoft with 7.5 billion US dollar. Oh my god, 7.5 billion US dollar. This is a huge amount. And after acquiring GitHub by Microsoft, you can see this pic, and center is Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, and on the left side he is Chris Wanstruth, the current CEO of GitHub. But after acquiring, it's not completely acquired, it will be acquired and all things will be done at the end of this year's. And after that, the new CEO of GitHub will be Nat Fredman. And you know, this acquisition is something weird, and let's see what the new or the future CEO of GitHub will saying here. And he is saying that GitHub will operate independently as a community platform business, and Microsoft will focus GitHub as developer first value. And what that means, this means Microsoft will totally going to focus on the developers end for GitHub. So maybe GitHub will become super cool, but as of now this is not so much changes. The GitHub will always remain supported for developers, whether it is any language, license, tool, platform, or any cloud. And it will also remains the GitHub product philosophy and deep care and thoughtness. All these things are good, but what we can expect from this acquisition of GitHub by Microsoft? And if you followed other acquisitions by Microsoft, the most famous one like LinkedIn, they have not changed many things in the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn was acquired by 26.2 billion, so much amount, but they have not changed anything, they have not put anything. It's like doing nothing, having any product on your hand. And even, you know, the worst case scenario of Nokia, and they just brought Nokia and they totally destroyed it after acquiring it. They changed even everything related to Nokia, and finally they have lost Nokia. And also the most famous Skype, this was the greatest tool they have, but they have not done quite a good things. And now Skype's competitors are on the market like Hangout and other things, which are doing perfectly fine things and adding more functionality and user experience to their products. But Microsoft is not doing much thing with their acquisitions, and they have also not having good acquisitions. So we are not going to expect much thing from GitHub acquisition. But you know, because GitHub is so famous and so huge, there will be some great plan in the mind of Microsoft, that means the Satya Nadella and his team. But after this acquisition, what the reaction on the internet? If you search on the Twitter the two hashtag GitHub and Microsoft, you will see the weird behaviors, and this one is cool, and it says configuring GitHub update 87, just like every other Microsoft products. And this is super cool. And please note that GitHub will stop supporting Internet Explorer as of July 2018, and you need to have the Microsoft Edge and promoting their things. So this is good, but apart from all these things, you will get an opportunity level news, which is by GitLab. But as the news came from the Microsoft that they are going to acquire GitHub, GitLab and the CEO of GitLab, Sid, has got this as an opportunity, and they have now convincing everyone to import their repository from GitHub to GitLab. Even GitLab has provided a link or a video description showing how you can import GitHub repositories to GitLab directly in just one go. And you can see the traffic on the GitLab is now increased so much that you can see this spike, and people are now moving from GitHub to GitLab because GitLab provide many features and there are not so many features on GitHub compared to GitLab. And the main reason of acquisition of GitHub is that GitHub was trying for a sustainable business for years. They're not going to increase their revenue, and that's why they have sold to Microsoft. And that's the main reason why people are moving from GitHub to GitLab. GitLab provides super features, and GitLab Twitter account, you can see they are showing these things, and you can see the trends. See these trends, and people are so much worried about this acquisition that they are going to just move everything from GitHub to GitLab, and everything is having so much of a spike. And you can see 5x increase in customer by GitLab, and this is the page, and this is the hashtag movement which is going on Twitter, which is now having 1,000+ tweets related to just this hashtag moving to GitLab, and they have given everything related to this, and you can see all these things. And this means the acquisition is good, but the reaction of the people are not so good, and the GitLab kind of things or other like Bitbucket also going to grab the fruits from this kind of acquisition. And we have to wait for some time until Microsoft enhance something on GitHub or do something which just give trust, and that trust has to be earned from the users or the customers. But till now, I think there is a huge debate on this, that whether this is a good thing or not. In my opinion, this is not so good because the track record of Microsoft is not so good on acquiring technologies and enhancing it, and also Microsoft is not doing well in the open source community, and that's the main reason of people are migrating from GitHub. So tell me what you think, just comment below, and what's your opinion, good or bad, and give the reason also. So if you want me to create a video on how to migrate from GitHub to GitLab, just comment below, and if there will be a huge request, I will surely create that video within just 1 or 2 hours after comments. And if you have not subscribed, go and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the instant notification related to my videos. And here you can find all web development related videos, and the list will continue till we have this industry with good kind of open source projects. So we will meet in some another episodes. Don't forget to like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. LinkedIn, Microsoft LinkedIn. Okay, so we will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.